What's up, moneymakers? If you've been anywhere near the internet lately, you've probably heard the buzz about Chris Reader's velocity profits. But today we're going to dive into what Chris isn't plastering all over his website. Now let's cut through the hype and get to the meat of what velocity profits is really about. First off, forget everything you know about traditional affiliate marketing. Velocity profits isn't about fighting for scraps in the oversaturated US market. It's about tapping into a gold mine that most marketers are too scared or too lazy to touch foreign English-speaking markets. We're talking about a potential audience of 1.5 billion English speakers worldwide. That's not a typo. Billion with a B. And the best part? The traffic is cheaper than a cup of coffee. But here's what Chris doesn't tell you up front. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for a magic button to press while you sit on your couch eating chips, keep dreaming. Velocity Profits is for serious marketers who are ready to put in the work. Now let's talk about the secret weapon of Velocity Profits: AI-powered tools. These aren't your run-of-the-mill autoresponders. We're talking about tools that can churn out high-converting video ads faster than you can say affiliate marketing. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. If you can use Facebook, you can use these tools. It's like having a Hollywood production team in your pocket. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. And you're right to be skeptical. But let me hit you with some cold, hard facts. Here is Sarah. Sarah went from 0 to 5K per day in 2 weeks. Mike made his first $3,000 day in 3 months. Amelia made $21,000 in a single day. These aren't just cherry-picked success stories. These are real people, just like you, who took action and saw results. But here's what Chris doesn't tell you. Not everyone sees these kinds of results. Success with Velocity Profits requires work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So here's the deal. Chris is offering a free workshop where he's breaking down the entire Velocity Profits system. You'll get access to insider strategies, a free book that lays out the blueprint, and a chance to see if this system is right for you. But spots are filling up fast. This isn't some fake scarcity. The workshop has limited capacity, and once it's full, it's full. So if you're serious about taking your affiliate marketing game to the next level, if you're ready to tap into markets that most marketers don't even know exist, then click the link in the description below to secure your spot in the workshop. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. This is Aaron, and I'll see you in the workshop.